Application of CNC machining in medical sector. Medical sector is amongst a few critical industries in the world upon which human lives rely. There is no room for any errors while manufacturing medical equipment, tools, and machines. CNC machining is a far better choice than other machining technologies because it fully meets ultra-high precision and tight tolerances demands for medical sector. A variety of healthcare-related parts and equipment are manufactured using CNC machining, such as diagnostic equipment, ultrasound equipment, catheters, MRI scanners. CNC machining finds its wide applications in medical sector. The complex parts and machinery used in the medical industry are crucial in terms of accuracy, durability, and smoothness. But advanced CNC machining technology offers all these necessary attributes and is serving the industry well. Moreover, CNC machining can manufacture customized extreme complex parts. Advantage of CNC machined medical parts: cost effectiveness, superior quality, variety of materials, complex design fabrication, ultra-high precision, excellent processing accuracy, faster mass production. Attributes offered by CNC machining has great compatibility with the demands of the medical sector. CNC machined medical equipment. Electronic medical equipment. Electronic medical equipment ranging from small to larger parts. They include complex machines like heart rate monitors, MRI scanners, switches, buttons, handles, medical implants. CNC manufactured medical implants turn to be a blessing for patients. These include hip replacements, spine, knee implants, tooth implants. These bodily implants are manufactured at very reasonable prices using different materials like plastics, metals, and alloys. Micromachining. Micromachining are tiny health-related parts and devices like catheters, drug delivery systems, ophthalmic devices, miniature screws for implants, tiny plastic tubes. Tiny plastic tubes. These tiny devices and parts find their usage in the most difficult and complex operations. Surgical instruments. These surgical instruments include the metal components used during an operation, such as cutters, saws, blade handles, spacers, plate benders, surgical scissors.